Good morning, student. Today our class for standard 7 mathematics. We will start the second chapter of the class standard 7 fraction. Okay, student, what is fraction? As we know, we have learned in integer. What are integers? Now here we will learn what are fraction. A number in the form of p by q. A number in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers. P is known as numerator and q is known as denominator. Now q is not equal to 0. See, a fraction is in the form of p by q, where p is known as numerator and q is denominator. And q is not equal to 0. Okay? For example, 3 by 5 4 by 7 minus 9 by 5. There are different type of fraction. First is proper fraction. Now we have seen here 3 by 5. Numerator is less than denominator. The fraction in which numerator is less than denominator, that is known as proper fraction. Here, when it will be 8 and denominator will be 5, 8 and 5. 8 is more than 5 means numerator is more than 5. Denominator is 5 here, numerator is 8 means we have got improper fraction. Here, why it is improper fraction? Because it is more than our denominator. Numerator is more than denominator. So we have to put one is proper fraction, second improper fraction, third mixed fraction. What are proper fraction? Fraction in which numerator is less than denominator, that is known as proper fraction. Improper fraction, fraction in which numerator is more than denominator, that is known as improper fraction. Mixed fraction, a fraction with a whole number. With a whole number, that is known as mixed fraction. Suppose that example, 4 complete 1 by 2, 7 complete 3 by 4, 9 complete 2 by 5, all are mixed fraction. Improper fraction, 11 by 4, 13 by 3, 19 by 6, 28 by 8, all are mixed improper fraction. And proper, 3 by 5, 4 by 7, 3 by 9, 1 by 8, all are proper fraction. So we have learned what are proper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. What is improper fraction? A fraction in which denominator is less than numerator. And what is mixed fraction? A fraction in the form which contain a whole number and a fraction, that is known as mixed fraction. Now we will see what is like fraction. More different type of fraction we have. Now like fraction. What is like fraction? Like fraction. What is like fraction? A fraction in which the numerator and denominator, all the denominator are same. Okay, all the denominator are same. Suppose that 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, means denominator will be equal, then it is known as what? Like fraction. Okay, and unit fraction. Unit fraction. What is unit fraction? A fraction in which numerator is always 1. That is known as unit fraction. 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9. That is unit fraction. Means always numerator will be 1. Always numerator will be 1. That is known as unit fraction. Now, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction, fraction when reduced, all will look same. Okay. Suppose that 1 by 5, you have to, and 2 by 10, 3 by 15, okay, 4 by 20. All you reduce, you will get 1 by 5 only. Means all are equal. All are equal, and that's why they are known as equivalent fraction. Okay, what they are known as? Equivalent fraction. And we can write equivalent fraction of a given fraction by multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number. We can write as many required equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Suppose we have to write 3 equivalent of 3 by 4, then we will multiply both with 1 by 1, then we will get 3 by 4, 2 by 2 we will multiply, we will get 6 by 8, 3 by 3 we will multiply, we will get 9 by 12. Like this, we will get equivalent fraction. Now, we have learned all the 6 topics. Now, addition of comparing two fractions, which is more and which is less. Suppose that we have to compare two fractions, one is 1 by 8 and one is 2 by 5. How we can find which is more and which is less? 1 by 8 and 2 by 5. 5 1 is 5, 8 2 is 16. Now 16 is more than 5. It means 2 by 5 is more than 1 by 8. 2 by 5 is more than 1 by 8. That's why it is by cross multiplication, or by making the denominator same, by taking out LCM, we can calculate. Okay, both are the process. We can compare the two fractions by cross multiplication. We can easily compare, and there are another method also. We will apply that also. Now, addition of like fraction is very easy. Now, addition of another mixed fraction, or we can convert mixed fraction into like an improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction, and mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction. How we will convert? Look here. Mixed fraction into improper fraction. Suppose it is given 4 2 by 5. You have to convert into improper fraction. 5 into 4 20 and 2 20, 2 by 5. 7 1 by 3, easily 22 by 3. 9 whole 4 by 2, or you can write 7, then you will get 67 by 7. By this we can convert mixed fraction into proper fraction. And student, you have got the assignment in your today in the WhatsApp. You will solve that. That is our today assignment. Okay.